Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Jay. Welcome to the video. So this is actually a new little series that I want to start doing where I take broken items from eBay, from garage sales, or wherever I find them, and I figure out what's wrong with them. Starting it off, I actually purchased this game off of eBay. In the description, it actually said that it didn't work. All I have done is open it up, make sure that it was the game that I ordered, and that is it. I set it on the table and got this video going. So, to start it off, I want to just put it in the Gameboy, see what it does. Okay, well, it seems to be booting up. Alright, so it looks like it booted up just fine, but it looks like there's no saving it. Typically when these games don't save, it's just a battery replacement. So the game does come on, which is awesome. So let's just go ahead and pop this out of here, get this thing taken apart, and we'll test the battery. Make sure that it's either dead or there's another issue. Ooh, okay. Okay. Doesn't have a battery. It's a little dirty on the back, but I really don't see anything popping out. We know the game comes on. So I guess let's just start this off by just cleaning up these pins, give this thing a good clean all over, not just the pins, and we'll see if maybe that worked. Maybe it was just a dirty contact or something. So let's get to it. Alright. Got it cleaned. Let's just get it back in here and see if that made any difference at all. No, your save data is corrupted. Okay, so it looks like maybe a chip. I'm not sure. Okay, so after a little bit of testing and a full memory card, I have actually found the broken trace. I hope it shows up on camera, but I'm afraid that it's not going to very well. But there's a bottom trace right here. It runs right down to the very bottom trace, and right here I can actually see the brake. And you can hear it, and then I can follow this trace right here on to this other test point, and nothing. So like I said, I can actually see the brake in the trace right there. So we're just going to be doing a quick little repair on it. So let's get everything set up real quick and get to it. Alright, so what we want to do first is just scrape away a little bit more of this trace. They have proper tools out there, but this is all I have. Alright. Alright, so again, I don't know how well this camera's going to pick up. You can kind of see it shining there. So we just have the covering of it kind of scraped away, and where we can see the actual trace itself. So now I'm going to get my soldering iron and tin these wires, and then just get it set down in place, and we'll test it after that. Alright, so we have everything soldered on, we have everything cleaned up. Now I just want to do a little bit of testing, make sure nothing is shorted out. We do have the brake fixed, which is great. All of the surrounding pads seem to be good. Nice, not shorted out anywhere. Awesome. Alright, I see just a little bit more flux. Let me clean that off and then we're going to test it. Okay, let's get the board set in place. Alright, here we go, moment of truth. Did we fix it? Well, good so far. Hey, that's further. Hey, it looks like we got it fixed. Awesome. Alright, so that is awesome that the game's working. We actually even still have all of the previous save data on here, which doesn't really matter to me because, like I said in the beginning, I bought this off eBay, so I'm not going to use any of these, but just to see that it works, we do have all of the saved worlds right there. World 5, World 8, 29, and 12. So it is working. Alright guys, before we go, just want to do one more thing, and I want to go back and just put a coat of some protective layer over the trace that we had, and I just have some of my girlfriend's fingernail polish. If you're watching this video, thanks. Alright, so I'm just going to shake this up really well. Alright. I'm just going to go over. Food's ready. Alright, I just wanted to go over that bare wire to keep it from corroding or anything in the future. Alright guys, so the fingernail polish has dried. Not tacky anymore. We're going to set it back in this case. Alright guys, everything seems to be working good. I've been testing it just a little bit, and I'm stoked that I got this game going. Oh, it's been a minute since I played this game. Woo. That didn't take long. Every time. Alright guys, just want to say thanks for watching the video if you made it to the end. And if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to let me know, because I have a lot more of these videos planned in the future. So stay tuned for all of that. But until next time, keep on repairing.